Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is I am I am 23 years old. I'm single. I'm married. I have a girlfriend. I have one kid. I have two kids. I have a child. I have children. I am a machine operator. I am a certified welder. I am a designer and programmer of mechanical objects using CNC machines technologies. I am an accounting assistant. I am a business administration assistant. I have a high school diploma. I am an electromechanic technologist. I graduated from SENA. I have been a machines operator, a salesman, a messenger, a street sweeper, a watchman, a bartender, a warehouse assistant. I have worked on construction, making molds, as an injection machines operator, as a delivery boy, as a welder, as a welding operator, as an engineer assistant, as a chocolate factory operator, as a baker, as an industrial maintenance mechanic, as an accounting supervisor, as a drawing artist. I am a hard worker. I arrive on time. I am a responsible person. I work well with others. People can trust me. I know how to weld. I am committed to my work. I want to work because I want a better lifestyle. I like machines. I want to become an entrepreneur. I like this company. I am the person this company needs.